Well, I think it's important, one, from an environmental standpoint, two, from a job standpoint. We want to bring more cargo into the state of Maryland for jobs, but we also want to be the port that everybody wants to come to so that we can ship out to the rest of the nation.
Well, besides providing ecosystem restoration and wildlife habitat for a large variety of species and vegetation, it's an enormous win-win-win for the entire region. It provides placement for dredge material for the next 30 years, and it enables us to have the environmental restoration, beneficial use of dredge material, and supporting our navigation channels all at the same time.
Well, I think it's important that we get to restore islands that have been eroded for many, many years and bring them back to life, if you will, for recreational purposes.
We have a very long-standing partnership. We've collaborated and planned and engineered this together. I think the strong partnership that we have was critical to take this idea and turn it into a reality.
We work very closely with them on multiple projects, including Poplar, Mid-Bay, Secret Loop, everything that is needed to keep the channels open.
This has been a long-standing relationship for many, many years, and I'm so excited to move forward with them, continue moving forward with them over the next maybe 50 years. I may not be here, but the Corps will be here, trust me, and so will MDOT. So I think it's a great relationship, and we're very proud to have it.